Hi guys. Hi Sam. Hi Pete. Hi Boo. Listen, I'm just here at work now. I just got to Brookman, and I wanted to show you this amazing stuff that happens to me with these crazy birds. The birds are right over, way over there. We're gonna walk over there, and you can see these birds swoop at me. It's really amazing. I hope the camera catches it. So you're gonna be here in 20 days, huh? All right. Let's go for a walk. See you there, Crushy. Okay, Daddy. You're a good-looking car, Crushy. And you're a good-looking Daddy. Well, I don't know if I go that far. Okay. The birds usually spot me when I'm about by that lamppost there. They start seeing me, but then sometimes they see me before then. Let's just see what happens. What a beautiful day in South Dakota. My goodness. Right about now, they should be coming towards me. There's one. He sees me. All right, here we go. What's this? Here they come. Uh-oh, he's coming towards me. Oh, no. Woo! Do you see how close that was? There he is. Come on. Here he comes. Woo! That was a close one. Here they come, swooping in. Look at that, 3 clouds in a row. That's pretty cool. And each one holds about the size of a bathtub full of water. Hi guys, I'm here. Here they come. Woo! That wasn't very close. You can do better than that. Woo! Geez, did you see that one? I heard his wings. See, their nest is right here. I know you're in there. There's about 5 of them. Watch. Now let's see if the camera can catch this. Whoa! Woo! That was a good one. They go so fast, it's just amazing. And the brick wall is right here. And I'm leaning against it, and they had to avoid that. Whoa! Pretty cool. Okay, well, I gotta quit bothering them. They're using up a lot of energy to protect the nest. But we do this pretty much every day. Whoa, nice! Here he comes, whoa!